Alright guys, so today we're going to be restoring, or I guess somewhat maintaining, these headlights here with this 3M quick headlight clear coat. So I've been polishing these and it's just not lasting, and I need something a little bit more permanent so I don't have to do it constantly every couple months or so, because the sun just gets to this plastic and it becomes yellow. Now part of this headlight is already yellow on the inside, so it's just the old car, and it's even more exaggerated with the silver color. In any case, they're not terrible right now because I did actually buff them 3 weeks ago. You can see they're already yellowing up. I don't know how well you can see on the camera, but and here's our other side. So it actually don't look too bad, but you can see there's a haze there. If your headlights are really dirty or really yellow, whatever, this thing here is not going to solve that problem. This is just a top coat. This works well if your headlights are just starting to get yellow or they're hazing out just a bit and you need to seal them up, then this would work great. But if your headlight is completely just wasted, you're definitely going to have to do a little bit more serious cleaning and polishing before you can apply this. And you can do that with this kind of kit. So this is a 3M kit also, and it includes everything you need to use a drill with all the different sandpapers to buff out your headlights to make them look good. So if your headlights are bad, you might want to get this, and that's what I've been using, and you guys can see it looks decent, but it's not sealing them and they're hazing. Alright, so let's get this thing open and see what we got inside. So it looks like we have 2 applicators, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use one for both headlights. I think should be enough, and save the other one for another vehicle that I have that I want to use. And you also get this 3000 grit sanding little foamy disc. So this is a very fine grit, and what it's for is just to finish the headlight in a very fine cut. That way the clear coat can lay really nicely in there and be very even. And you do use this with water or some kind of liquid. Or you can use something like glass cleaner, which I'm going to do. So I'm going to spray it on there, and then I'm just going to rub it in. So this is just going to take all surface dust off of it and any other fine scratches or just grime that's built on it. And it's going to prep it for the clear coat. So I'm going to wipe that off. And you guys can see maybe that the white is a little bit more hazy now. So I'm going to do it one more time. So obviously the more you do this, the better it turns out, especially if your headlights are, you know, a little rough. You want to take your time and rub it down really good. And in going in circle motions, it's probably the best than, you know, straight lines, because when you do circles, it's more concealed than if you do straight lines. You might be able to see them. Alright, and then that's it. And now we can see there's a really nice haze over it. And so you want to make sure that this dries out very well, so you have no moisture. So we can kind of see the difference between the other one and the one we just hazed up. So as that one's drying, I'm going to go ahead and do this one. Now one thing I did forget to mention, if you have a much nicer car and you want to be, you know, extra careful, you might want to tape around the headlight, or be very careful about getting onto your paint. So if you're worried about that, just put around some masking tape. I'm not too worried about this car because it's very old and little imperfections won't matter. Alright, so for the next part, you probably want to go ahead and put on some kind of gloves, because you don't want to be touching that clear coat that's in this little bag. So I'm going to go ahead and try to do both sides with one pad. And inside of it, we're going to find a napkin that has the clear coat on it. And so we're just going to simply wipe it onto the headlight. Now I'm going to start from one end and just kind of work this way like this all the way down. Be careful not to get into the clear coat of the paint. Just trying to do the headlight. So we're going to try to apply it as even as possible throughout the whole surface. So you guys can see this is not very hard. You got to be a little careful how you wipe it on. But it's literally just wiping it on. So I think I'm pretty happy with that. I'm going to go to this other one and do the same thing. And you guys can see there's plenty of clear coat in just one wipe here to easily do both of the headlights. It doesn't really matter which pattern you use to wipe it. You can go from up, down, or side to side. Just whatever makes more sense and easier for you. But once you do get a part done, you don't want to go back to it because it's just drying up quite quick. So if you touch it, you might mess it up because it's already curing. So make sure you get a nice good coat as you go down so you don't have to go back. And so this one's done too. And you guys can see the difference is quite large. Even though these lights still kind of yellowish inside, it still gives it a much better look. So yeah, simple as that. It is done and it's looking really good. So now we need to give it at least an hour or more to cure. And the best way to do this is in the sun. But you got to make sure that no rain or anything gets on it for at least an hour. So yeah, you just got to make sure they cure all the way before you use the vehicle. Alright guys, so it's been a couple of days, actually about 4 days now since I applied it, and it's in the sun right now, you guys can see, and it looks pretty good, but it did haze out just a bit as it dried off completely, but still very nice compared to like it was. And also these headlights are really bad already, so for it to look this good, I'm very happy with it. So I'm just hoping now it'll stay this way for a while, and if it'll last 6 to 8 months, even a year, that would be wonderful. So yeah, this is kind of what you can expect if you use the clear coat sealant and what it looks like. And if I get up close, you guys can see kind of still has a little haze to it, but I think a lot of that is probably on the inside too. And you guys can see how old these lights are. They're actually peeling on the inside, so yeah. So if your headlights are in decent shape, they're going to turn out much better. And if they're rough, you know, they're obviously not going to look as good. So